And also we have the Honorable National Commissioner, Professor Abdullahi Abdusuru. You are most welcome, sir. And we have Rhoda Gumus. You are most welcome, sir. Most welcome. Also, shall we be seated? The Honorable Chairman, INEC.
On behalf of the Commission, I welcome you all to this meeting. You may recall that about 2 months ago, on Thursday, 29th August 2024, we had an extraordinary meeting on preparations for the Edo State governorship election. Today, we are holding the last in our regular quarterly consultative meetings with political parties for this year. We are glad that you continue to oblige us with your presence despite the short notice and ongoing campaign activities in Ondo State. I have repeatedly said that there is no election season in Nigeria any longer. Recently, our regular meetings have come on the eve of major elections. With just 29 days or 4 weeks to the Ondo State governorship election, today's meeting is no exception. Only 2 days ago, the Commission presented the register of voters to political parties in our state office in Akure. With this development, we have successfully accomplished 10 out of 13 activities listed in the timetable and schedule of activities for the election. The 3 remaining activities are the publication of the notice of poll, the last day of campaign, and election day. We have included in your folders for this meeting a summary of the list of polling and collation agents for the Ondo State election. The Commission is glad to note that all political parties fielding candidates for the election are in full compliance with the requirements for the upload. We are working in earnest to ensure that we deliver the identification tags for each of the 24,148 agents uploaded to our portal. The Commission is also glad to report that the collection of permanent voters' cards, the PVCs, from the last continuous voter registration commenced today in Ondo State. For the next 5 days, from the 17th to the 21st of October 2024, the cards will be available for collection at each of the 203 wards across the state. Thereafter, the cards will be available for collection in our 18 local government area offices in the state for 1 week from the 23rd to the 29th of October 2024. As earlier announced, the centers will be open to citizens from 9 in the morning to 5 in the evening daily. A document containing the name and location addresses of the 221 collection centers has already been uploaded to our website for public information. Hard copies are also included in your folders for this meeting. As usual, we appeal to political parties to continue to support the Commission in mobilizing registered voters to collect their PVCs. To make the process easier, We have also uploaded the register containing the names and photographs of all new voters, fresh registrants, transfers, and applications for replacement of lost or damaged PVCs to our website to facilitate the seamless collection of the cards. Even as we prepare for the Ondo State governorship election, we are always mindful of our responsibilities for other elections and electoral activities. For instance, Section 28, subsection 1 of the Electoral Act 2022 requires the Commission to issue the notice for elections not later than 360 days before the date of the election. This applies to the general as well as off-cycle governorship elections. As you are aware, the last governorship election in Anambra State was held on the 6th of November 2021. By the effluxion of time, the governorship election is due next year. Consequently, the Commission has approved that the 2025 Anambra State governorship election will hold on Saturday, 8th November 2025. In compliance with the mandatory requirement of 360 days, the formal notice for the election will be published on the 13th of November 2024. Party primaries will be held from 20th March 2025 to 10th April 2025. The candidate nomination portal will open at 9 a.m. on 18th April 2025 and close at 6 p.m. on 12th May 2025. The final list of candidates will be published on 9th June 2025. Campaign in public by political parties will commence on 11th June 2025 and end at midnight of Thursday, 6th November 2025. Voting will take place in all the 5,720 polling units across the state on Saturday, 8th November 2025. In the coming weeks, the Commission will provide details of other electoral activities, including the registration of new voters, transfer of voters, and the replacement of lost or damaged PVCs. The detailed timetable and schedule of activities for the 2025 Anambra State governorship election will be uploaded to our website and social media platforms before the end of this meeting. Hard copies will be made available to all party leaders at this meeting. And here is a copy of the 2025 Anambra State governorship election, for which, as I said, all party leaders here present will have the hard copies of the timetable, and the soft copy will be uploaded on our website and social media platforms before the end of this meeting. I therefore urge political parties to use the INEC timetable to come up with your own timetable and schedule of activities to enable us work together and plan better for the deployment of personnel and resources for the monitoring of your party primaries and campaign activities. By doing so, you will avoid the last-minute rush with the attendant inability to meet deadlines. We will discuss this important matter at this meeting. On this note, I welcome you once again to this meeting